And there should be highest number might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the highest. But this is machinery language. We have to convert this into human language, that is decimal. IPv4 comes under decimal. IPv6 hexadecimal. There is a difference. How will I convert? I will convert them. I have to multiply. I said yesterday also. I need 4 things: plus, minus, multiplication, division. So here I will do the same thing. I have to multiply all the bits 0 or 1 by 2 into 2 and plus them up. So like this, 0 multiplied by 2 plus. Don't write it now, first check. Try to understand what I am doing. How many I have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More 1. Now first thing, why I multiply by 2? First question will come that. I can have multiply by 3 also, 4 also. Why I have taken 2? Because 2 is such a number, you divide any number, you will get remainder, remainder? Fine, huh? No, remainder means remaining. Like when you divide something, you get a remainder. Like 1 left, 2 left. That is class 2 standard. Same thing only. You will get only remainder as 1 and 0. So if I do 2 divided by 3, what will happen? 1, 1. Not this. If I do multiplication, 2 divided by 3, what will happen? 1, 1. So remainders are 2. So 2 is such a number, whenever you divide anything, you will get only 0 and 1. You will not get 3, 4, 5. So always 2. Okay? Then, as per them, they have started giving power from right to left. From right to left. So I have to start with power. I will give a symbol here over power. 2 to the power 0. Then 2 to the power 1. Yes. On this basis, you have to do. Five, 6. Hold a second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5. Here 6. And here 7. You know the meaning of power? What is 2 to the power 7 means? How much? Yes? What is the 2 to the power 7 means? Devi, what is the 2 to the power 7 means? Tell. Answer? I don't know. Find the answer. 14. Okay. For me 14. I'll write them down. Number. How much is the answer? Simple as that. Yes? What is the answer? 128. Okay, 128. Yes? Till now? 2 to the power 7, how much? Yes? Please respond. That means you are good in mathematics. Yes? I understood now. No respond only. Devi? Why, you people are there or your people went? Devi is there. Yes, is there. Fine. Please respond in the online classes, okay? If you don't respond, you will not understand. So 0 multiplied by 128, correct? Correct, na? Then 2 to the power 6.
64.
0 into 6. See, your mathematics skill. 5. Next. Next. Four. 2. Then 2 to the power 0. Here is always 1 as per number. Okay. So what is the final output? Final output. This are multiplied now. Now what is the final output? Half only done. You have added.
128 plus 60.
What is the final? Tell what is the final output? What is the final output?
0.
Yes.
0. 0.
0.
0.
Okay. Wait a second. Let me check. Now there are some people sitting next to me also.
0.
I don't know. Let me check. Somebody said me some answer. Yes, told me some answer. You told 0. Okay, fine. Others, what is the answer?
0, sir.
0 only. Correct. Why are you taking so much time? Anything to multiply by 0 is 0 only, na? So why you are saying all this? Hey God.
Sir, I
No, you
told
said
you.
0. No, you said 0 only. Yeah, you are correct. But there are some people who are still thinking on that. Okay. Understood? 0. So starting with 0. Now same thing you do for this and tell me what is the answer. Find it for this. Find it for this. What will find? Same thing only. It will be same. But instead of here it will come 1. Find out the answer quickly. What is the answer?
Uh,
253. Okay. Then let me see everybody's answer. This is not correct. I'm just writing everybody's answer here. Let me check who is correct. Use calculator only. I know all head gone mathematics. Use calculator and check. Acha. Use mobile phone, na? Use mobile phone. Do calculation properly. No need of thinking and doing. Forget you are not in class 2. Just use mobile phone now. Yes, how much? Yes. Yes, is doing. Devi is not responding. But here are the other people, Dhananshri, Abu and all. Are important. This is IPR is very important.
Message also. Message also.
Acha. I don't know. I'm not going to repeat anything. In my class, no repetition. So much of time. It is 2:55.
Yes.
Now you got, huh? Same. Okay. I'll do. I'll just. This screen, so this is my problem with my laptop. Okay, I'll just explain it again, no problem. Yes, you got the answer. 255, how it came? You have to multiply by 1, correct? Here, everywhere 1. So if you plus all them, what will come? Correct. Then it will come 64, correct? Then 32. Half. This is not plus, see, this is 1. 128. When you do mathematics, you remember Bodmer's formula, BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You do the bracket thing, you do addition first, then you do the first multiplication, then addition. So when I say like this, 1 multiplied by 128 plus 1 multiplied by 2, 64, what does it mean? 128 plus 64. So on that basis, if you go, it will become 255. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check now how much you understood. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do for this and tell me the answer. Do. Take this one into decimal quickly. I'll give you only 5 minutes. Do it. Then only I'll understand you understood. Because this one I need for my subnet mask in IP address. Very important. Find out this quickly. Okay? Why? Why? Okay, I'll do one thing. Do it. No help. Do it.
Sir.
Do it. Why should I help? Try from your side. I'll just prove that one.
Yes, okay, sir.
Archana, your Devi is not responding in the class, huh? I'm saying. No, Yash joined. Yash is doing the class. He's responding also. One more joined. Somebody, Teju also.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir. I am Devi.
Your Teju, it's showing Devi now. So please respond in the class, okay? I'll not
Yeah, okay,
understand.
sir.
Okay, God, whatever I have said, IP address.
Yes, sir.
Now do it and tell me the
Yeah,
answer.
doing, sir.
Okay, fine, good.
Sir, 184, sir.
Okay, we will go. Just how to do. Try 5 minutes. Now it is 11:10. I'll see you 11:15. Take 5 minutes and do it. Just try to do.
Sir,
This is
first
very
one, 84.
first one.
184.
184 might be. Just write it down. I'll check because
Okay,
there are
sir.
some people doing here also. Just make a note. I'll ask
Okay,
one by
sir.
one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This thing you have to understand very properly, okay? Because this is one thing. If you miss now, upcoming classes will be very hard for you people. Okay, then I'll be mute for 5 minutes, okay? I'll come back. Just be ready with the answer when I come back.
6 12 4 10
Yes, done.
Sir, I can visible the third question.
Not visible. Third question. Okay,
Uh,
okay. I'll just minimize it. Hold on a second.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ चलो. এটা আমরা খেলা আছে আমার এটা আমার ল্যাগ মারছে ভয়ঙ্কর ল্যাগ দিচ্ছে এটা ভয়ঙ্কর ল্যাগ দিচ্ছে লোক नहीं बोले এখানে
I have done it, sir.
Okay, we'll wait. The others are doing here. Okay. Some more 2 minutes. So you can give 15 minutes. 5 minutes time. Let's check. Border. Yes. এখন কার আছে আমার না তোমার ওটার মধ্যে আচ্ছা আসছে I don't know. I'll check. Do all. Do everything. Then I will check. Today, anyhow, I'll do up to here only. Go home, take different numbers and practice. Done? You ready? Still doing okay. Okay, let's see. Yes, first I'll come with you. Tell what is the answer.
Yes, sir.
First one, how much?
Sir, 184.
184. Okay. Then down one.
240.
Okay. Then
133.
133.
133.
Okay, fine. I'll come by one. Tell Lakshmi. Tell first. I'm just writing it down. I'll tell later on. Right or wrong. How much you got? First one. 112. Okay. Second one 224. 224. How are you doing? Okay. Shweta, tell. So much of time for one only. First one only. Okay. Next, you tell. Same only. Still doing. Okay. First of all, this one is courtesy. Normally, what we'll do, I'll just bring this back. Let's come in this diagram only. Okay. Copy. I'll do the first one. How will you do? See, the first one is 1, so second one is 0. Correct? Then this is there. The last three are zeros, correct?
Last 3 zeros.
0, 0, 0. Yes. So for this, first will be what? Two to the power 7 is 128. Into 1 is 1 only. Next one is 0. Correct? Next one is 32, 16, 8. Then 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Correct? So if you plus them up, you will get 184 only. Understood? Next one 240. This is wrong.
Why?
And last one is 133. 128 plus 8 plus 1.
128 plus 64.
Anyhow, understood? Clear? Okay. Now what I will do, today I will keep it here. I am not doing anything extra. I want you to practice decimal properly. Take different number and do. Find out everything. Okay, because you have to know properly your octets. If you do not know your octets, it will be very much problematic in subnet mass. Because with this octet only, you have to find number of clients, number of range, entire thing. Okay. So yes and Tejo, I'll keep the class today over here only. Tomorrow we'll start from here. You have to practice. You have to practice. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay. So see you tomorrow same time. Okay, 10:30.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. This class has been recorded. You can check your recording also.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye Tejo. Tejo only correct.